Yeah, man.
Absolutely, absolutely. And also, I'm saying that
My mama, papa, and myself are before. We can't take it dirty, living no more dirty journey. The rough and the tough, and just don't give up. Just on the journey. When you come and see the youths in my bone, can't take it no more. Can't take it no more. So many just a journey, rough journey. Aye, butterfly garden is nice, you know. They make everything out of butterfly. Aye, then preserve the butterfly. Them have butterfly in a pan, butterfly in a bag, everything a butterfly. You understand? This butterfly garden, they're all the way in the Keys. People, when you like Keys, you need to check it out. It's very nice, man. Kids love it. You understand? Everything about butterfly. You know? And if I never the plants, then we won't have no butterflies. So give thanks for the plants, because you know me is a nature person. You understand? Me take care of plants, you know. So when you take care of plants, you have a lot of butterfly. And you have to plant a lot of milkweed. You know what is milkweed? Milkweed that will produce the butterfly turn. Caterpillar then it turn butterfly. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So today is another day. You understand? We just come off of the road and now we're just kick back and easy. You understand? See the bands over there, so you see the bands over there? See the bands here? Wanna beat bands, you see it? See bands over there? So if you play music, you understand? Nobody don't know so we're talented too, you know. Can do everything. Yeah, man. So big up everybody out there who love nature. You understand? Yeah, man. That's how things set, man. Yeah, man. That's how our things set. We connect with nature, man. Our thing is organic. You understand? Yeah, man. Our thing is not like a rare, thing that come from talk about people. Yeah, man. Our channel nice. Yeah, man. Kids can watch our. I know one of the greatest thing about our channel. Some people slump on the hospital bed, especially some elder. Them can sit down and watch the channel and see what go on, you understand? Yeah, man. People in Gambia all over can watch my channel and then give me a lot of appreciation. You understand? Me just get a gift from where place in Morocco. Yeah, man. I go show them one idea. Nice African shirt and a nice African bead. Yeah, man. So big up all of my fans them out there. Yeah, man. That's how we do it, man. Yeah, man. When we say one go around and one badness, you know, carrying that badness, you know, country. Yeah, man. We just come from like Keys. You know them? Keys, down there nice. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I say things set up, man. We just go and easy back on wall and medi, you understand? Yeah, man.